Podcast episode, Chatter Chronicles, Unveiling the Power of Salesforce Chatter Administration, 28. Hello, Salesforce enthusiasts. Welcome to Chatter Chronicles by Careerya, the podcast where we uncover the dynamics of Salesforce Chatter and its administration. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're diving deep into the world of collaboration and communication. Get ready for real-world examples, implementation insights, interview-ready knowledge, and a quiz to test your chatter administration prowess. Podcast episode, Chatter Chronicles, Unveiling the Power of Salesforce Chatter Administration. Next topic. Let's embark on our exploration by understanding the essence of Salesforce Chatter. Segment 1, Chatter Symphony, Decoding Salesforce Chatter. Salesforce Chatter is like the heartbeat of collaboration in the Salesforce ecosystem. It's a symphony of communication, bringing teams together and fostering a culture of transparency and engagement. Example 1. Imagine a project team using Chatter to collaborate on a critical task. Team members post updates, share files, and discuss ideas in real time. Chatter ensures that everyone is on the same page, fostering collaboration and driving projects forward. Implementation insights. To implement Chatter, navigate to Salesforce Setup, enable Chatter features, and customize Chatter settings to align with your collaboration needs. Leverage Chatter groups for focused discussions, use at mentions to bring specific team members into conversations, and integrate Chatter into your daily workflows for seamless collaboration. Next topic. Now, let's transition to the art of chatter administration. Segment 2, Admin Mastery, Navigating Salesforce Chatter Administration. Chatter administration is like conducting the Chatter Symphony. It involves setting the stage for optimal collaboration, ensuring that Chatter aligns with your organization's communication goals. Example 2. Picture a scenario where an admin customizes Chatter to fit the unique needs of a sales team. Chatter groups are created for different product lines, and automated announcements keep the team informed about key updates. This strategic chatter administration ensures that communication flows seamlessly, driving sales excellence. Implementation insights. To master chatter administration, explore the chatter settings in Salesforce Setup. Customize chatter groups, define access permissions, and integrate Chatter into your Salesforce processes. This strategic administration ensures that Chatter becomes a powerful tool for collaboration and communication. Next topic. Moving on, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering Salesforce Chatter administration. Interview insights, Chatter administration mastery questions. Question 1. How does Salesforce Chatter enhance collaboration in an organization? Answer 1. Salesforce Chatter enhances collaboration by providing a platform for real-time communication, file sharing, and team discussions. It fosters transparency, engagement, and streamlined collaboration. Question 2. Can you explain the role of Chatter administration in optimizing collaboration? Answer 2. Chatter administration plays a crucial role in optimizing collaboration by customizing Chatter settings, creating focused Chatter groups, and aligning Chatter with organizational communication goals. It ensures that Chatter becomes a tailored and effective communication tool. Question 3. What are some key Chatter features that admins can leverage to enhance collaboration? Answer 3. Admins can leverage key Chatter features such as Chatter groups for focused discussions, at mentions to bring specific team members into conversations, and automated announcements to keep teams informed. These features enhance collaboration and communication within the Salesforce platform. Next topic. Now, let's challenge your chatter administration mastery with a quiz. Quiz: test your chatter administration mastery. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of Salesforce chatter? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. The primary purpose of Salesforce chatter is to enhance collaboration by providing a platform for real-time communication, file sharing, and team discussions. Question 2. How can admins customize chatter to optimize collaboration for a sales team? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. Admins can customize chatter for a sales team by creating focused chatter groups for different product lines, defining access permissions, and integrating chatter into Salesforce processes to drive sales excellence. There you have it, a journey through the Chatter Chronicles, unraveling the power of Salesforce chatter and its administration. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Careerya for more Salesforce collaboration adventures.